Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you an awesome tool and website. Of course, you already know about ChatGPT, but today I'm going to show you how to come up with the right prompt to use for like DALL-E and to create the image you really need. Because let's be honest, if you're here to find the right image or to find the right description to use for these AI technologies like DALL-E, for example, or Midjourney, can be quite complicated, right? So it can be pretty hard to kind of figure out, well, how do I describe it? What's the right way? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it today. Now, I'm using a website. It's my favorite. It's called pr.tools. This is where I get my prompts from. Very fast, very easy. Saves me a lot of time. If you want to try it out, you can jump in the description below. It's free to use. And it has a lot of stuff if you're like talking about like for persuasion, if you're looking to persuade, or animation, if you're looking for like chat box keywords, you can see it on my screen, right? So generative AI, health, languages, video, it has a lot of different prompts for you. But I'm going to be using this one and to show you how to make the correct prompt to be able to use for those other AIs. All right, so let's see. I want to make a t-shirt, for example, right? So I want to make a t-shirt. I need an image for something for that. So let's do that. So I'm going to jump into my search box and I'm going to just type in like image. Now it can vary a little bit, but that's fine. Image generator. Here we go. Now here's a couple of things, right? So like a keyword or the animals can create an awesome DALL-E prompt, right? We can do this. We're gonna use this one for example to create an image, and you can check it out and try different ones though, just to kind of give you a say image. So when you type in image, it's gonna give up right an article image generator. This is the first one here. We can say design, right? Just to kind of say AI-powered course design and blueprint, but you can say different ones, right? Generate different ones, descriptions, right? But I'm gonna say image. All right, and I'm gonna click on this. I'd all about in target language, keyword, or the scene, right? Let's say I can music themed T-shirt with the guitar design, and we can just say uh, a guitar design. All right. And we can copy this, and it's going to automatically open it up in ChatGPT. I'm going to go to ChatGPT 4, and I'm going to post this right here. So generate in DALL-E prompt and target language and music. Now you can change that target language to be in English or whatever your language is going to be. You can do this in the other one, but I'm going to just do it right here just to show you. English, and click enter. All right. And you can see it's already generating for us. So the prompt in English, uh, a DALL-E prompt in English, or a music themed T-shirt with a guitar design, right? And guitar design. Now you can really just put something different, right? But an artistic, vibrant T-shirt design featuring a stylized, abstract guitar. The guitar should be a central piece, exploding with rich color palette of blues and reds, evoking the spirit of rock and roll music. The guitar strings should transform into musical notes, seamlessly integrating with a flowing music staff that wraps around the shirt. Lyrics from a timeless rock song interweaved into the design, forming, well, you get the idea. So to add depth, include small faded vinyl records and concerts. So it's very descriptive. But if you want to kind of change that, you can just come in and change the colors, for example. You want to work around it, but it's already done the work for you, and you can just click on copy, and you're good to go. It's that simple. And then you will just paste or copy the whole thing and jump into DALL-E, paste this, and then you're finished. Once you get that pasted, it's going to start designing and give your pictures, and you're good to go. And as far as that goes, but you can change this. You can see some other things as well. And I wanted to go back to show you how to do it a little bit differently, right? So you can see, for example, music themed T-shirt with a guitar design. We can leave that blank, and if we go to settings, we can see the target language in English, so we don't have to type that like we did before. The tone could be, we can leave the tone alone, or you can change it if you would like. This is what's cool about the prompts, or the style, right? Creative, let's say creative. And then we can come back and do the same thing again. Now, change that back and go to the same thing. You can see the prompt: generate a dolly prompt in target language or a music themed T-shirt with a guitar design. And you can see it changed it a little bit different as well. So it's already kind of making that for you. So go ahead, jump into the description below, try out the website. I'm sure you'll love it. But this should save you a lot of time and really pull out that creativeness that really stops us all. So to come up with that idea can be quite difficult. All right, guys, I will see you next time. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, drop a comment, and while you're down there leaving that comment, hit the bell for notifications. See you guys again soon.